channel, and it's our dignity uh, for joining him on our channel. Seraat TV is basically created by Tehreek Seratul Quran. It is the forum of Tehreek Seratul Quran to display the activities of Tehreek Seratul Quran in a videonic form. And inshallah, we will in a future continue a program consist on 1 hour in the night time to assist our subscribers and audiences to update them about the current activities of Tariq Siratul Quran and future plannings and current views and working progresses and perspectives of our Tehreek. So uh, our technical team is trying to connect Mr. Ijazul Hassan on Seraat TV. This is a platform where we want to educate Muslim Ummah for meeting the challenges of modern era through by Quranic education and technical and religious and worldly education. And by this, we want to revolutionize our nation in a modern way to meet the challenges of modern world and to meet the challenges of bombardment of the IT disarms and losses, and to educate the new generation and to connect the new generation with religion and science studies and technical inventory visions. It is our vision to educate the nation through by modern system of education and by using the religious theories to accommodate our society with the progress, prosperity, and well-being of the society. नहीं ਹੁੰਦਾ ना
आ नहीं रहा बट व्यूअर्स देख रहे ने 3 बंदे देख रहे ने.
It is also the need of the time that here is lot of theories working in the field of societies to revolutionize the society by their methods and by their norms, but we believe that any nation can be made great through by the education. And in the era of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he taught the Muslims to learn each and every kind of education that should be religious education and technical education and scientific studies. And in the beginning of the Islamic era, Muslims conquered a lot of land on the earth, and they rule there through by their technical war skills and through by educational improvement. Even they study about the Greeks